Okay, let's see. I see now. It should be here. Someone. Button here. Okay. Let's see. Have to find the. Okay. Can you see it? Maybe not. There is a white thread there. I guess you cannot see it in this light. You, there you see it. And this is the underside. This here. And you have to thread it from back, from behind. You cannot not thread it from the front. You have to thread it from behind. It's very boring. First around, first into this loop here. Then there's a loop under here. Let's see. Cannot see it. Here. Here. I don't know if you can see it. But then down into the needle. And it works. It works. Where's my... It's always getting caught here. Oh god. I could have prepared myself. It seems to be working. I was tearing the thread from below. It's broken. Oh, I see. Can you see it? Here. It's broken. Something is wrong. It is battery operated. Okay.